All right, Dylan from Throttle Company in Columbus, Ohio, and it's New Bike Day, which is getting to be a pretty regular thing. The one we're talking about right now is a new color of the Shotgun that we just got in, which is called Plasma Blue. So we already had stencil white and sheet metal gray. We have the green one on the way. Whoop. And the first thing that I noticed on this one compared to the other ones is this cowl is black. So on those other two colors that I named, it is like the sheet metal gray color, so it's a dark gray. So black here, black brace, black forks, or triple tree. And then everything else is the body color. So the fender's the body color, the tank, these side covers here, which are metal. I don't think I pointed that out last time. But all this stuff is metal on the Shotgun and the Super Meteor. This looks like a really good color. We always say this. They look better in person. So we're trying to do a good job and show you what it's like, with video and everything. I think that gets a better idea across, but you got to see them in person because the proportions of this bike are awesome. And the colors and the way that everything goes together, they clearly have thought about this. When we went to Dallas for the introduction of the Super Meteor, they talked about matching all of the different materials and stuff that go into the handlebars and the controls. And so you notice that stuff when you see it in person, is all these different finishes and how well they go together. Great bike. I don't think this one's sold, but the green one is. They're going fast.